In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate a PDF in Bluebeam. Whether a page was scanned sideways or you just need to correct the orientation, this quick workflow will get your document looking the way it should. Before we start, a quick note, there's a difference between rotating your view and rotating the actual pages. Rotating the view is temporary and only affects what you see on your screen. Rotating pages, which we're doing here, permanently changes the orientation of the pages in the file. First, open your PDF in Bluebeam Revu. If Revu is already open, you can drag and drop the file into the window or use the File menu to open it. Once the document is on screen, take a moment to identify which pages need rotation so you know what you're aiming for. Next, go to the top menu and choose Document, then click Rotate Pages. This opens a dialog where you'll make your rotation choices. This is the key tool that applies a permanent rotation to one page, several pages, or your entire document. In the Rotate Pages dialog, choose the direction you want. If the page is lying on its side, a single 90-degree turn will usually fix it. Clockwise will rotate it to the right, and counterclockwise will rotate it to the left. If the page is upside down, you can apply two 90-degree rotations in the same direction, or choose 180 degrees if that option is available in your version. Pick the direction that makes the page upright and readable. Now decide how much of the document to affect. If you only need to fix what you're currently looking at, select Current Page. If the whole file was scanned the same way, and every page needs the same rotation, select All Pages. Choosing the correct page range helps you avoid over-rotating pages that were already correct. When your direction and page range are set, click OK to apply the rotation. The pages you selected will immediately update. Scroll through a few pages to confirm everything looks right. If something isn't correct, don't worry. Use Undo or open Rotate Pages again and apply the opposite direction. A couple of tips before you wrap up. If you're working on an important file, consider saving a copy before rotating pages, or use Save As after you confirm the results. That way, you keep an original version just in case. And if you often encounter misaligned scans, practicing this workflow will make it second nature. That's all you need to rotate a PDF in Bluebeam. Open the file, go to Document, choose Rotate Pages, pick your direction, select the correct page range, and click OK. Thanks for watching and happy editing.